What's up guys, and many of you have installed iOS 14 on your iPhone, and some of you have doubt in your mind that when Apple released the iOS 14 to public, how to move on their iPhone software from beta variant to public variant. And today's video I'm going to show you how to do that, and you don't need any software, laptop or Mac to do that. First of all, let me tell you that every time when Apple releases a software of iOS to public, officially public, they also release a GM variant, Golden Master version of that software almost 1 to 2 weeks before the official release. And that software GM variant is exact same as they release in the official release. And first of all, you have to do is go in settings and go in software updates, and you need to download and install the GM variant of the software. And I will let you know that when Apple release the GM variant of that software, and after installing, downloading and installing the software, you have to go in settings, general, and scroll down. You will see an options of profiles. Open that and you will see iOS 14 beta profile software. Open that one and you will see a remove profile. Just you need to remove that profile, and then you have to restart your iPhone. And what you do is that you will no longer be able to receive any beta updates on your iPhone, but you still be able to receive any Apple's official release when they will release iOS 14.1 or any other iOS updates on your iPhone. In some rare cases, when Apple see a bug in the GM variant of the iPhone software, they also release an update after the GM variant. And if anything's happened, you just need to go in Safari and then install the profile beta again and download your software and install it on your iPhone. And then again, just go in profile sections and remove the profile section, and then remove the iOS 14 beta profile on your iPhone, and you will be good to go. And you will not receive any software update of your beta on your iPhone, and you will be easily moved on to official public software of your iPhone. So that's all about today's video, and I'll see you in the video. Until, peace out.